Hello students, welcome to the new class of physical education. Earlier you have studied about balanced diet, nutrition and what are the elements of balanced diet like carbohydrates, fats, minerals, proteins, etc. What are the functions of these elements? Why we need them in our daily life? This all things we have discussed in last topic. Hope you might have done this thing in earlier classes also, like what in 9th or 10th about balanced diet. Also, each and every person knows about balanced diet. So today we are going to do a very important topic, which is the basic problem of each and every person in this world. ठीक है जी? कि many countries are facing this problem, that is weight control, obesity. ठीक है? So we'll be discussing about how to control your weight. ठीक है? What is healthy weight and how can we maintain our healthy weight so that we can stay fit and healthy for entire life. ठीक है जी? So now these days people know lot of gyms are going on. I will give you one example. कि earlier people used to go to gyms for gaining strength. Usually you might have seen they used to go for weight training. We have never seen earlier that ladies used to go to gym or men used to go to gym for weight control. They used to go to gym only for gaining strength in their body. Now these days there's a trend going on, like what, due to this problem of overweight or obesity, people are joining gyms like anything. It is good. You should go to gym and you should take out time for that. But the basic problem is you must be having control on yourself also. कि why this weight has increased? What is the reason behind? So these things are to be discussed very firstly. ठीक है जी? So we'll be discussing this problem which world is facing. Even then, due to this overweight and obesity problem, many countries in the world have banned strange food like pizza, burger from their canteens of children and all that. Very schools. ठीक है जी? There is one example of Delhi school also. I have read somewhere कि there is one school at Delhi. What principal of that school did, she saw that she observed that many students of their class of their school are being absent because due to they are unhealthy. Today he is not well, she is not well, and this class 5 students are not well. She observed that they come to school and eat unhealthy food in canteens and all that. Junk food like pizza, burger or hot dogs. Every school is having that kind of canteen and all that. But usually they eat these things only, cold drinks and all that they drink. What she did, she banned those things. ਉੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਬੂਥ ਲਵਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ. What she said, what she did कि she talked to one of the major group like it might be Mother Dairy or Amul or Verka is in Punjab. ठीक है जी? Like what, there are very booths of Verka also in our Punjab area. ठीक है जी? So what she did, she asked that person or company wala to fix up one booth inside her school. ठीक है जी? And what was the thing कि only milk products were available, like milk, ice cream. There are many things which this Verka and all that is making, like it can be milk cake also, many things, but it will be healthy. ठीक है? So people started cribbing. Students ki we don't want this within one, but if someone is having habit of eating something during this games recess period, he or she will surely be eating that something. So 1 or 2 days, 3 days, what she did, what she saw that students started eating good food, like what they started having milk, the ice creams with low calories and everything. And there was a frequent change in her attendance of that school. ठीक है जी? And what she shifted all the activities of her school, like music classes, to 4th floor or 5th floor. And people used to go to, the students used to go on stairs and ramp. So exercise भी हो गई और उनका purpose भी solve हो गया. So this kind of things should be adopted. ठीक है? That was a good move and it was in a positive way and it has shown the result also. So we'll be discussing today about eating for healthy weight. There is one topic in your book, eating for healthy weight. There are subtopics of the healthy weight, pitfalls of dieting, food intolerance and food myths. Okay? So we'll be discussing about healthy weight. I'll be going through this topic, this definition once, then we'll discuss all this. The healthy weight is weight that lowers your risk of health problems, generally body mass index, and waist are also good ways to achieve healthy weight. Weight is a tough mass. Most people know how important it is to keep weight in check, yet struggle to do so. And it is understandable in today's world where calorie-produced food comes fast and easy. But the health benefits of staying at healthy weight are huge and well worth the effort. Method to know health weight through weight chart is. So I'll explain these 4-5 lines first. I have explained you also that now these days there is a very big struggle going on in the world to keep check on this weight. Suppose I am a physical education teacher. Before lockdown my weight was 90.4 kg. Now my weight is 80.4 or 5 kg. I have reduced 10 kg of my weight with exercise and plus I have stopped eating outside food. Means the food you take at home, it is healthy also, and I have taken equal amount of food which my body was requiring. I didn't eat extra. So next line is that it is that weight controlling weight is very difficult if your metabolism is not proper. But the benefits of staying healthy, but if you are healthy, if you are fit, then your life will be too good. You'll feel like you won't be suffocating, you will not feel fatigue easily. The method to know healthy weight, there is a chart given in your book, you can see. What height you are having, and what weight should you be having. The weight chart is weight should be according to the height of a person, men and women, male and female, different charts are given. You can go through it once. Next is body mass index. The body mass index is a value derived from the mass, the weight of individual. The BMI is defined as body mass divided into square of the body height and universally expressed in the units of kilogram meter square, resulting from mass or weight in kilograms and body height in meters. BMI is calculated by using like what? There is one formula given in your book for calculating BMI. Let's go. First is your height. First is height. It is written in your book. Suppose your height is 180 centimeters. Suppose I'll explain you write the formula first. Weight means your weight. How much weight you are having. height in meter square, ठीक है, means weight over height into height. देखो weight is equal to height into height. So everything is mentioned in your book. You can see that if your this weight is 70 kg, ठीक है, it is mentioned in book, and your अपना height is 170 centimeters, ठीक है जी, 170 into 170, ठीक है, it will become 24.22. There is one chart given in your book. You can see that. If your BMI come below 18.15, then you are underweight. If your weight BMI comes from 18.5 to 24.9, that is normal range. 25.20 and overweight. 30 and above is obesity. Means now the computer is calculating. Now there are software in these watches and all that to control to how to check BMI. So it's a very common thing now these days. Software is there in mobiles also. Okay? So the main topic which we are going to discuss today is methods to control healthy weight. How you can control your weight. Okay? Suppose first is ban on strange diets. What are strange diets? Pizza, burgers. I am not saying that you should not eat this, but it should not be eaten so frequently. Now you might have seen, if you are from the Punjab, like what in our Faridkot area also, ki people, if you go to Circular Road or any place, there are many small huts. People are made of burger, pizza. How many pizza shops have opened in Faridkot? People are eating chaat, pallas and everything. And they are consuming like anything. So for controlling weight, you must ban on these strange diets. You should avoid eating these things very frequently. Balki you should eat, balki chalo hafte ch ek bari kha liya, that is a different thing. But if the people are eating these types of things regularly, burger, pizza, then surely the weight gain will be there. So first way to control weight is ban on strange diet. Next is be more active. Be active in your life. Okay? If bell rings at your home, key of door, don't say, yeah, you go and then, no. Be active. Keep on moving whole day. After eating food also, go for 1,000 steps of walk daily. And eat food at proper time. The most important thing is be active. Swere breakfast, do it proper time. Then lunch should be at proper time. Then dinner should be at proper time from 8 to 9. Or before 8. Your lunch should be between 1 and 3. Your breakfast should be between 7 to 9. I used to live in a hostel. I spent my 15 years of life in hostel. The basic thing of my fitness was, all people staying in hostel was, we used to get food in time. Mess manager used to close all the things after 9 o'clock. He used to start breakfast at 7 o'clock, 7:30, and he used to stop breakfast exactly at 9 o'clock. Then we were bound to go to mess at between 1 to 3 we used to get lunch, and between 8 to 10 we used to get dinner. 10 was very late, but people used to come in shifts. But we used to eat at 8 o'clock, 8:10 bus. Then we used to go for walk of 1,000 steps at least, so that food should be digested. You should not go to bed straight away after eating food. So be more active. Keep on moving here and there. Don't keep on sitting at one place for longer duration. Turn off the televisions. Means when you are eating food, don't eat in front of TV. Because you will be eating more because your interest is that side. Basically that side. So you must not eat in front of TV. Okay? You might have observed, I will give you, people go to theatres. Suppose they purchase popcorn. In big countries, in Canada, Australia, where American, they purchase this big bucket of this popcorn. They keep on eating for 1.5 hours. Okay? But we should not eat in front of while watching TV. Next thing, don't use sugary drinks. Like what Coke is there. Coke, there are 8 spoons of that sugar in 1 glass of this Coke. Okay? So avoid sugar. You should consume sugar, but in a low content, what is required by your body. You should not eat, because sugar also increases your weight. Okay? Avoid sugary drinks. You can make all these drinks at home. Nimbu pani piyo. Okay? Think before you eat. Means you should know about what is good for me, what is bad for me. You should not eat like this. Ki chalo kha lo, ki fark pena. You should eat. You should eat, but you should know the consequences. Is this thing good for me? Is this thing bad for me? Okay? So you must think before you eat. Next is avoid fatty food. Same thing I told you that avoid fatty food. Like what in older days people used to consume pure ghee, जिसको आप देसी घी भी देसी घी भी कहते हैं, ठीक है? They used to eat desi ghee, they used to eat this mustard oil in their food. But now refined oil is there, many types of oils are there, fatty oil, which can spoil your health. Okay? But people used to work also at that time. People used to work in fields, they used to walk from one place to another. When they used to, now they used to go on cycle. Now people living in a modern era, the sedentary lifestyle, people are living in a sedentary life. It means from if you want to go to market from this place to another, they are going on this car or scooter. You should avoid. If the shop is nearby, you must go on foot by walking. Okay. Next is avoid rich carbohydrate food. First thing. Avoid overeating of bread and chapatis. If you are at a young age, your age is 15, 20, 22, 25, you can eat anything. Okay? Your metabolism is fast. But if your capacity of food is 20, suppose 12 chapatis a day, but if you are consuming 16, that extra consumed chapatis will be converted into fat. Okay? When your age will be more. Okay? Because your metabolism goes down. So to avoid that weight should not increase. You should avoid rich carbohydrate food like chapatis, rice and bread. You should eat in proper amount, but whatever is required by your body. Next is don't skip meals. Very important. You should not eat skip meals. खाना नहीं छटना चाहिए किसी वक्त, कभी भी ना छोड़ो. ठीक है जी? You should eat less. Rather you should eat less, not more than something. ठीक है जी? कि you should not go for fasting for weight control. No. You should eat, but you should eat in small shifts. ठीक है जी? In ounces. ठीक है? Like what you can eat 2 chapatis today in the morning, then 2 chapatis in the afternoon, then 2 chapatis in the evening. But body get adapted to your that food you are consuming. Next is avoid alcohol, smoking and drugs. Smoking and drugs also increases your weight. Sometimes in the influence of all people eat too much. They start they start eating too much of alcohol. ठीक है, so you should avoid this, you consuming alcohol, smoking and drugs. वैसे this problem is going on in every part of our India also, and in then big countries also. So people should not get into this alcohol, smoking and drugs, because when people get into it, it's very hard to get out, can come out of that situation. Then I have seen people ruining their houses, ठीक है जी, फिर चोरी चकारी करने लग जाते हैं, फिर डाके मारने लग जाते हैं. So these types of things, where will they go? Because this has spoiled the houses of many of the people. ठीक है जी. Next is especially drugs. Next is yogic exercise. Best way of controlling weight is do yoga exercises. You should do yogic exercise regularly, so that your body should be toned up every time. ठीक है? Avoid overeating. I told you earlier also, if your body diet required by your body is 12 chapatis a day, don't eat 16. कि चलो खा लो, की फर्क पड़ना. Now you have taken food in the morning time. After 10 minutes you are going out. चलो यार burger भी खा लो. No, then you are eating pizza also. No, don't overeat. Say no, I don't. Then when you will be disciplined, then you can remain fit. ठीक है? Next is regular exercise. One and the most important thing we should do to control weight, that is regular exercise. ठीक है जी? You must take out time in your daily routine for exercise. I told you earlier also in planning and sports which कि if you must plan your day, like what, at this time you will be waking up, at this time you will be studying, and this time you will be having breakfast, at this time you will be going for playing, at this time you will watch TV. ठीक है? If you want to study, then keep your, now though I can't say that keep your mobile away, because everything is on mobile only now these days. ठीक है? Earlier I used to tell students, when you are studying in any of the book, you must keep your mobile away from your this bed. ठीक है? So that you should study properly. Stay active and go regular exercise for at least 1 hour a day. If any person age is more than 25, he should go for at least 1 hour workout thrice a week. ठीक है? But if the person is overweight, he must go for regular exercises. ठीक है जी? So these are the 12 points we have discussed about what are the methods to control weight. These are the common things. Physical education is a general subject which answers can be given from daily routine. ठीक है जी? So you should apply your mind also कि how can I control my weight. You can write points according to your own wish. ठीक है? And subjective papers also. ठीक है जी? So I have discussed this thing about what is BMI, what should be eaten due to control your weight. So next topic will be pitfall of dieting. So we'll be doing in next class. So thank you very much. Start studying. ठीक है जी? If you have any problem, and there will be no problem in these things, just go through it once. ठीक है जी? Everything is mentioned. I have cleared all these 12 points, point by point, line by line. ठीक है जी? So next topic is also there. So we'll be discussing that thing in next class. So thank you very much.